up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be sharing this with you guys how I did this quick vacation hairstyle. It's a half quick weave and braids in the front. I'm using wrap strips, I'm using glue, I'm using a wig cap, and I'm also using some sewing needle. I go ahead and I braid the back of my hair going back. I use the crochet needle to crochet my hair into each other, and then I take the wrap strips and I cover the entire back of my hair. The purpose for this is to protect my hair from having glue be transferred onto it when I'm gluing the hair onto my head. Okay, so this is my favorite method. It has been the best method for me. I have tried some other methods, but this is my favorite go-to method when it comes to protecting my hair from the glue. So yes, it looks like a bunch of confusion right now, but I'm gonna just put the the wig cap onto it, and then I'm going to sew the wig cap on my hair, and then I'm going to begin the process of gluing my hair. So I'm using this hair that I purchased from Temu, and let me tell you guys how much of a mistake that was, because I really wasn't trying to spend too much money on no hair, because I'm like, I'm going to throw it in the trash anyways, so why spend a bunch of money on it? So then I ordered these bundles on Temu, and I was like, girl, $14 for a bundle? Why not? But this bundle was so stink, and I did so much to try to get the scent away, and the scent was still slightly there. So I'm like, don't recommend, don't do it. Just buy yourself some quality hair, okay? All right, so I'm just measuring the hair, and then I'm gluing it on. I'm using my blow dryer just to dry it a little faster, so that I could do this process super quick. So I actually did my hair like the day before I was traveling, so I was like really hoping that the hair wouldn't be stink, and it still was stink. It was bad. I used Fabuloso, I used fabric softener, I used dishwashing liquid, I used laundry detergent. Listen, you name it, I tried it. Okay, it was horrible. But nonetheless, I put the hair on because I'm like, listen, I have time and I have to look decent. So I just went ahead, glued them on, sprayed them with all kind of spray, hoping that it smells okay. And that's what I did. So after I finished gluing down the back, the front, I'm going to do some knotless tribal braids in the front. So you'll see, if you're trying to learn how to do the feet and braids, I do have several other videos on my channel where I kind of slow down and show you how I get that accomplished. So I'll kind of share some of those links in my description. So I'm all done with the installation of the curly bundle, and it's looking cute. Listen, the hairstyle's soft though. It looks really nice, but the scent is just not it for me. But it looked really nice. It was soft. I didn't have no issue with shedding. It just didn't smell right. So right here I am about to begin doing my braids. So I decided to do like 2 braids going down, and then I did like some zigzag braids going back. And that's pretty much it for the style. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna leave some links down in the description. Please check out my Amazon store. I put all my favorite items from makeup to household items, things that I really like and I use on a daily basis. I did link them in my storefront, so definitely check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I have some vlogs coming, and I have more hair content coming. So thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of this video because I'm not done. So I did go ahead and use red one as my you know, kind of like edge control, make it nice and smooth so that I get a nice finish with the braids, and then I go ahead and I braid it down. So I did decide to do some boho pieces, so I did add some curly pieces to my braids just to, you know, make it look even better. And yeah, please tell me what you think about the hairstyle down in the comments below. Do you like it? Did I do a good job? Do you think it's a cute vacation hairstyle? Have you ever done something similar to this style? Let me know in the comments down below. This is the final look. Oh my goodness, it was so cute. Like, I really enjoyed dressing up, you know, the low maintenance of this hairstyle. It was the best. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.